Hello, hello. Welcome. I want us to learn Microsoft Excel. We're learning data validation in Excel. When we talk about data validation, we simply means we are data validation is used in Excel to make sure that user enter certain value in a cell. For example, we can restrict user to enter a whole number between 0 and 10 in a particular cell in Excel spreadsheet. How do we create validation rules in Excel? Creating data validation rules in Excel have some few steps down here. Uh, Number one, we begin by selecting the cell. For example, for our case, we shall use the C2, that is the name of our cell. After selecting the cell 2, we shall go on the data tab and click on the data validation, that is in the menu bar. We shall also go into allow the list by clicking whole number, right? Allow the list. We shall see this in a short while. We shall also move down the data list and click between. Then we enter the minimum and the maximum value we want. We can see there's some small example on how we will be doing this. It's written data validation, and a setting. Here is where we are saying we shall go to where it's written allow and check on allow whole numbers. Whole number. Then we go where it's written data. We shall check on between. Then the minimum we have it as 0, and the maximum we have it as 10. After which we shall click OK, and we see if the changes will be working. Let's open an Excel. Okay, this is my Excel screen. As you can see, I want us to do data validation and see under this tab called data. Let us have this cell called E4. We shall use E4 data. Right, is it on data? We shall go to data validation. Is it working? Let's have some number there. This Excel not working. Data. Okay, let's use A1. We'll go where it's written data validation there. Then we have data validation. We pick on that one. We have that. We have our pop-up menu. We have setting there. We shall go where it's written allow any value. We shall allow all number. When you allow all number, we shall narrow down and see where it's written data. We shall pick between. Between is there. Then the minimum number we shall have it as 0. The maximum, let's have it as 10. We shall check on OK. Then let's see the kind of data our cell is going to allow. That is our cell. You can see there is an error message is saying the value entered is invalid. The user has restricted value that can be entered in a cell. Let's try and place 5. Okay, the value is working. We can also try 10. The value is working. And see how we validate data. Let's move on and learn something. Under validation, we can also continue and learn how to input a message. Inputting message appear when the user select the cell and tells the user what to do. Enter. On the input message tab, check show input message when the cell is selected. Step 2, enter a title. 3, enter an input message. This is how we shall be doing. We shall move from setting tab to message, input message. We shall check the button there written show input message when the cell is selected. We have a statement saying when the cell is selected, show this input message. We shall give it a title. For example, they have given it as restricted cell. Then our input message we shall choose. For example, this one it has said enter number 1 to 10. We shall proceed and say okay. Let's see how we will work on this. We shall be back to Excel. Let's select a tab. For example, I've chosen C1. C1, I will go to data over here. Then I'll move to data validation. It's there. I'll click on data validation. Then I'll move to input message. Under input message, I will make sure my show input message selected. Show input message when cell is selected. I'll check it. Then I'll give it a title. Let me say cell restricted. Cell restricted. Then I want it to say enter data. I'll enter number between 0 to 10. Then I'll check. Let's see what is there. When I select that cell, it's telling me cell restricted. Enter number between 0 to 10. That is what I has been looking for, that message. So we shall proceed and see the last part of data validation. It is what we call the error message. I want us to create an error alert. An error alert. If user ignore the input message and enter a number that is not valid, you can show them an error alert. On the error alert tab, show error after invalid data is entered. So we shall check. Number two, enter a title just as we gave the message. Message one. Then number three, enter the error message and proceed. Click OK. Let's see how we be looking at it. This is how we shall do. Look at it. Yeah, this one. We have setting. We're going to give input message, and we shall proceed to error alert, where we shall check. Show error alert. Invalid data. Then we shall give it a title. For example, given it valid. Then the message error message is saying enter wrong data. You proceed and say okay. Let's open our Excel. We shall select D1. Let me go with that one. C2. I'll go with the C2. Data. I go back to data. Then I go to data validation. And I have data validation there. Then I this time around I'm going to error alert. Then I'll give you a title and say invalid. Let me call it invalid. Valid. Gotcha. Then under the error message, I'll tell the user you entered a wrong value. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll use this A1. I'll use A1 so that it has restriction. I have to use the letter that has the cell that is restricted. So it is invalid. And the error message you entered wrong value. That is it. Say okay. For example, when the user entered a value more than 10, let's say he entered 20, there will be an error message. You entered a wrong value. That is the error message we were inputting. So thank you for learning data validation. I'm done.